You know, I started this project to explore the human mind. What makes us tick? What triggers us? How someone who has lived through so much pain can be so happy. And how someone with a relatively pain-free past can be so angry. Human trauma starts during childhood. It's been...
We should probably go out there and get him, all right? You do not need him out there doing no crazy shit. You know how he is when he snaps.
Alex, relax.
It's Michael we're talking about.
I've never seen him like this.
Layla, what do you expect? You took his son away. Are you okay?
Where is she?
Where is who?
Where is she? She's still in the bathroom? Open up!
What the hell is wrong with you? I have neighbors!
What did you do?
Jesus. Is this Jonathan? Guys! Michael, what is this?
I'll tell you what it is.
Thank you so much for doing this for me, Crystal.
If I can use my problems to help you in your research, I'm happy to do it.
I appreciate it. You have no idea.
What the fuck?
Thank you so much for doing this for me, Crystal. You've been very committed and you really didn't have to.
If I can use my problems to help you in your research, I'm happy to do it.
I appreciate it. You have no idea.
I know. I have a little gift for you.
Oh, you didn't have to.
Well, these sessions have really been helping me, so you're not the only one benefiting.
Well, if you put it that way, I accept your offering.
Great. I'll make us a drink.
If I'm trying to be professional here, I don't think that's a good idea.
Stop being such a prude. We deserve it. So, how's the sabbatical coming along?
Oh, it's going to be amazing. It will be a great experience for me and Jamie. This is a part of what we've been working for. I love that girl, man. Couldn't do it without her.
She's a girl to die over, isn't she?
Yeah, she is.